Hi Leo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 13th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is the Judgment card, the Five of Swords, and the Four of Swords. Now person B here, the first card for them is King of Swords, Ten of Cups, and Ace of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have Knight of Cups, which means that both of you want to rush in and express your emotions to each other. Maybe you have not talked about it, maybe you feel that this is the right time to talk about emotions, so you want to rush in and do that. Now from the first set of cards I see you have the Judgment card, which is a Major Arcana card. The Judgment card means that you've taken a judgment call on what you want to do in this relationship. The second card for you is Five of Swords. It means that there could be some kind of competition, something between you and your person, or there could be people around you that's causing some kind of a rift or a misunderstanding between the two of you. Now the third card for you is Four of Swords. This means that you will take a step back. You will just step back and you will try to think what went well, what went wrong. You will just do a little more self-introspection about yourself and also this particular relationship. So you'll take a temporary break here. The person B in this relationship, their first card is King of Swords. Now King of Swords is a very powerful energy. This means that this person wants to go ahead and have a very honest conversation with you. Now please be aware that whenever you plan to have that conversation with this person, if there is anything that you have hidden, okay, please share it with them. So talk about facts. If there is anything that is there that needs to be spoken about, go ahead and talk to this person. Do not hide anything, because later on if this person gets to know about it, they will be all the more pissed. Now the second card that I see for this person is Ten of Cups, which is a very positive card. This means that they have an emotional connection with you. And the third card I see is Ace of Pentacles, which means a new beginning, which is based on stability. Now with this, let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card is Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and Two of Wands. Now Nine of Pentacles is a very single independent energy, which means that this person is single, independent and doing really well for themselves. The second card is Knight of Pentacles, which is a slow moving energy, but with that energy this person wants to walk slow, and eventually when they reach that goal, they will go ahead and provide stability. And the third card is Two of Wands, which means that in some cases, okay, this person may be dealing with two people, and that's why they were confused, or they may have taken a little more time because they had two options. Now with this, let's quickly see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for all of you. So the message that I see here is step out of your comfort zone. Now if you are in your comfort zone, okay, you need to step out of your comfort zone. You need to understand that it's time that you just come out of your comfort zone and start taking some risks. Now with this, we'll also go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels, and also if there is a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is clear quartz. The crystal message is, what is it that you don't understand? Are you missing the point? It is time to gain clarity and have a clear picture of truly what is going on within and around you. Decide that you want to see the bigger picture, get focused and stay focused. Meditation and contemplation will help you see the greater perspective from varying points of view. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Michael, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.